Hi there, 8th grade. Lesson 29, ratios. Your objective, write ratios using the word 2 as a fraction, as a decimal, and with colons. Round ratios when appropriate. Find an approximate average rate for a table of data. Your power up would be on page 181. At this point, you could actually, I'm pretty sure that's all. Pretty sure your power up should be on 187. Okay. At this point, you can freeze or pause me and then do your power up, and then you get back to math. Okay. Vocab. You have a ratio is a comparison of two numbers by division. There are 9 girls and 15 boys in a class. What is the ratio of boys to girls in the class? Well, boys come first in this example, so the ratio should be boys to girls. So you have 15 boys. Now this isn't from the whole class, this is from the girls to boys. It's not boys to the whole class, it's not girls to the whole class. So you're going to have 15 boys over 9 girls. Okay? Okay, now can you reduce that? Well, I can take 3 out of each, so it's 5 to 3. Or you could write it 5 over 3, whatever. Either one works. That's also writing it in 2 different ways. So, the ratio of boys to girls would be 5 to 3. Notice we reduce the ratio, but we also do not write the ratio as a mixed number. Okay. Because if you wrote it as that, you'd probably want to go more into the percent world, which we're not ready for yet. Okay. A 30 feet tall tree shadow is 18 feet long. What is the ratio of the height to the length of its shadow? So your height, which would be 30, would go 30, your height of your tree, over your shadow length, which then would be divide by 2, you end up getting 9 over 15. Can I reduce that more? Why not? Which ends up being, taking a 3 out of it, 5 over 3 again. Weird how that works. Alright. Going to example number 3. At a high school football game, 1,217 fans sat on the home side and 896 fans sat on the visitor side. What is an appropriate ratio of home fans to visiting team fans? So, home fans was 1,217. Visitors were 896 fans. Okay, this one's a little more difficult. You could maybe, you probably don't know how to round this one, or don't know whether you can take anything out of this. Some numbers that you might know is, this is pretty close to 1,200. You're just 17 people over, so we're going to round it just so we kind of know a ratio of home fans to away fans. This was about 900. Okay, I can take out about 300 out of both of these, which then would leave me with 4 over 3. So, the home team had about 4 fans to every 3 fans that our visitors had. And once again, you can write it like this. You can write it that way. Rosa kept a record of number of pages and number of minutes she reads each night. Find Rosa's approximate reading rate for the the book in pages per minute. Okay. Rosa has a chart here. So, her chart shows that on Monday, Wednesday, or shows every day of the week, besides the weekend, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, okay? And then it shows how many pages she read. Pages. Okay, on Monday it was 15, 11, 14, 20, and 170. Okay, the number of minutes she read was 30. 30, 20, 30, 40, and 50. This one should have been 27. Must have looked wrong. Okay. So you want to know per minute how many pages she reads. Well, pages over minutes. So pages would be 15 over 30, which reduces down to 1 over 2. 11 over 20, I don't think that reduces down. 14 over 30, you can take a 2 out, you get 7 over 15. Okay, 20 over 40 would then be 1/2. And then the other one, let's see, you got 27 over 50. I don't think that one decreases either. So that one would be left at 27 over 50. Okay. So find Rosa's approximate rate. 2 nights we're at 1/2, or just a touch over, touch below. So I would say if I had to go through this, it's taking her about 2 minutes per page. Or for every 1 page she reads, she does 2. So it'd be a 1-to-2 ratio. Okay, this time go ahead and do your written practice. Once again, it is part of your homework. So if you are at home and you do this and you have questions on this, come and ask. I will help you on that because it is still part of your grade. Plus, I will make sure you get 100 on your written practice.